Hi, this is FSH 101, and today we're going to show you how to fix your fan chain. The first step to fixing your fan chain is laying out your chain on the table like we have right here. The next is you want to identify where the little slit is in each chain and which direction it is going. Now that we have identified where the slit is and which direction the chain is going, we want to grab one of our loose single chains and connect it to the larger chain by using the opening slits. After connecting our loose single chain, we're going to want to rotate the single chain so that way our chain can stay together. You're going to want to repeat this process for all the loose single chains that you see. After connecting all the single chains, you should see your chains start coming together. These last two chains can be a bit tricky, so it's important that when you connect them together that you do the rotating thing as we normally do, but you're going to have to give it a nice tight tug so that way it can snap into place. You should hear a click. And there we have it. Your fan chain should be 100% completed now. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us on our social media. Thank you so much for your purchase, and we hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day.